Cape Kennedy. James Sweeney pushes a mop bucket through empty NASA hallways at 2 a.m. To everyone else, he's just the janitor. But every night, after the engineers leave, Jim stays behind. He reads their discarded textbooks, teaches himself calculus and physics under dim fluorescent lights, and dreams of rockets. One night, while cleaning an office, he spots a blueprint for the Apollo oxygen system. Something's wrong, deadly wrong. A valve design that could explode again like Apollo 1. He could walk away. Instead, he spends hours writing a 3-page fix in perfect technical detail. Next morning, NASA's top engineers find the anonymous note. They're speechless. The math is flawless. They hunt for the mystery genius. When Jim shyly admits, "It was me. I'm only the janitor," jaws drop. Within days, NASA does the unthinkable. They promote the janitor no degree, no experience, to full-time aerospace engineer. For the next 30 years, Jim Sweeney helps design systems that take men to the moon and bring the space shuttle home safely. He never went to college. He never had a fancy title. He just had hunger. Your job doesn't decide your future. Your hunger does. Tonight, someone is mopping floors, driving Uber, stocking shelves, while quietly becoming unstoppable. The world sees your uniform. God sees your notebook. Keep writing in the dark. One day they'll beg you to turn on the lights.